Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will explain to you the benefits of DXN Ganosi toothpaste, and I will also tell you some of the testimonial of our friends using the Ganosi toothpaste. So let's get started to the benefits of DXN Ganosi toothpaste. So I will explain to you the benefits of DXN Ganosi toothpaste, and I will also tell you the direction on how to use our DXN Ganosi toothpaste. So here are some benefits of DXN Ganosi toothpaste. DXN Ganosi toothpaste contains high-quality Ganoderma extract, food gel, menthol, and food flavoring. It can effectively cleanse your teeth, thus leaving a pleasant taste in your mouth. It does not contain saccharin and coloring and makes your teeth healthier and whiter. Use as normal toothpaste. Direction: squeeze only half of the toothbrush and brush as per normal. Swollen, bleeding gums. Direction: apply some on the swollen, bleeding gum. Eliminates bad breath. Direction: after meals, suck a bit of the toothpaste as mint or sweets. Quench thirst. Direction: suck and swallow. Cure mouth ulcer. Direction: apply a little bit on the affected area. Chapped lips. Direction: apply the Ganosi on the lips. Painkiller for toothache. Direction: clean the affected tooth and put Ganosi into it. Supper burn, scald from hot oil or hot water. Direction: apply small amount of Ganosi on the affected area. Smell of feet. Direction: mix with warm water and soap. Nail injuries. Direction: apply small amount on the affected area before it swells or bleeds. Gout. Direction: rub small amount on the affected area, mix with warm water and soak the feet to remove toxic. Migraine. Direction: rinse a mixture of water and Ganosi on the head. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash. Stress, hypertension. Direction: rinse a mixture of water and Ganosi all over the body. Leave it on for 10 minutes, then wash. Abscess. Direction: apply around it, not on it. Coughing. Direction: consume and apply on the neck. Rinse your mouth with the mixture of Ganosi and warm water. Pityriasis, versicolor, ringworm. Direction: clean and apply on the affected areas. Warts. Direction: peel it and apply on the affected area. Back pain. Direction: apply on the affected area and massage. Facial cleanser. Direction: mix with water and cleanse. Acne and pimples. Direction: use Ganosi as facial wash. Flu. Direction: apply around the nose, mix with hot water, then inhale the steam. Nosebleeds. Direction: rinse the mixture of Ganosi and water on the head and apply it around the neck. Sinuses. Direction: mix Ganosi with hot water and inhale the steam. Do this before sleep. Allergy, sneezing non-stop. Direction: mix Ganosi with hot water and inhale the steam. Do this before sleep. Reduces fever. Direction: mix Ganosi with water and apply to the whole body. Leave it to dry. Help children with bedwetting. Direction: apply on the genitals before bed. Constipation, stomachache. Direction: mix Ganosi with warm water and apply on the abdominal distension. Direction: apply on the abdominal. Hysteria. Direction: apply on the head and feet. Nausea and vomiting. Direction: drink the mixture of Ganusi with warm water and also apply on the head, chest, and abdominal. Asthma. Direction: massage on the chest and back. Menstrual. Direction: apply in the abdominal and vagina. Leukorrhea whites. Direction: wash the vagina with the mixture of Ganusi and water. Circumcision. Direction: apply in the wound. In addition, apply a bit of RG for watery wound and gel for dried wound. Erectile dysfunction. Direction: apply on the penis. Food. Direction: can be consumed for food supplement if eaten in a desperate situation. For massage usage. Direction: Ganusi must be mixed with water for best result. Add some Ganu massage oil. Here are some testimonials that I gathered and using DXN Ganusi toothpaste. So the first one, yung mother-in-law ko gumagamit ng DXN Ganusi toothpaste bilang toothpaste, no? Panlinis na pag nagtutoothbrush siya, yan yung ginagamit niyang toothpaste. So, ang nangyari that time is, mayroon siyang sore eyes. And then, accidentally, natapon yung, habang nilalagyan niya ng toothpaste, ng Ganusi, yung kanyang toothbrush, biglang natapunan yung mata niya ng small amount of Ganusi toothpaste. And then, after that, pag in the morning, biglang nawala yung sore eyes niya. Biglang, hindi naman siya totally nawala, pero biglang nagliwanag yung paningin niya hanggang sa nawala talaga yung sore eyes niya. So, yun yung testimonial ng mother-in-law ko is, Ganusi toothpaste is you can use for the sore eyes. Talagang maalis niya. So, yung second one is yung kapitbahay namin. Bali, yung kapitbahay namin is, yung anak niya is meron siyang almoranas. So, na makita niyo yung post ng one of our members sa DXN about Ganusi toothpaste na nakakagamot siya sa almoranas. So, nag-order siya sa amin. Pinagamit niya sa anak niya. And then, yung anak niya is maliit pa lang, 4 years old yung anak niya, meron siyang almoranas. So, gitry niyang gamitin yung Ganusi toothpaste hanggang sa mawala. Until now, nag-order pa rin sila sa amin ng Ganusi toothpaste at saka spirulina kasi yung anak niya payat and then hindi siya mahilig kumain. So, parang malnourished. Malit kasi yung anak niya. And then, yun nung inumpisahan niya mag-take ng spirulina at saka yung Ganusi toothpaste sa almoranas niya. Ngayon is, bumubuti daw yung kanyang pakiramdam. So, ayun yung second testimonial na aming kapitbahay using Ganusi toothpaste. And then, yung third one na testimonial is one of my office mate dati. Bali, yung ngipin niya is maraming sira. So, takot din kasi siyang magpa-dental. So, ang ginagamit niya toothpaste is yung Ganusi toothpaste kasi kapag daw yung ibang toothpaste yung gamit niya, sumasakit daw yung ngipin niya. So, prefer niya talagang gamitin yung Ganusi toothpaste. And then, the fourth one is yung pinsan ko naman. So, bali gabi yun. Iyak siya ng iyak. Hindi siya makatulog kasi masakit yung ngipin. Na-try ko yan nung sumakit yung ngipin ko, parang tinutusok-tusok. So, yun, bumangon ako tapos kinatok ko siya sa room niya. Sabi niya masakit daw yung ngipin niya. Hindi daw siya makatulog. And then, ang ginawa namin is, kumuha ako ng cotton. And then, maliit na cotton kasi yung ngipin niya may butas. And then, nilagyan namin siya ng Ganusi toothpaste, yung cotton. Tapos, yung butas niya, dun ko inilagay yung cotton na may Ganusi. So, yun, naging bubuti daw yung pakiramdam niya. Umaalis daw paunti-unti yung sakit ng ngipin niya hanggang sa nakatulog siya. So, it helps talaga sa sakit ng ngipin. And then, the fifth testimonial naman is yung kapitbahay namin. Bali, student siya sa STI. Bali, ang problema niya is yung paa niya. Parang nagtutubig yung paa niya. Tsaka manipis kasi yung skin ng paa niya. Tapos yung nagtutubig siya, tapos makati daw. So yun nirekomendahan ko siya ng Ganusi toothpaste, and then sinubukan niya until nakailang order na siya ngayon. Then yun, nawala na yung watery sa kanyang paa. So yun yung fifth testimonial. And then yung pang-anim naman na testimonial is yung si Mr. Cole. Minsan kasi sumasakit yan yung tiyan niya. And then ang ginagamit lang namin is yung Ganusi toothpaste. Bali ang direction naman paggamit nun is pagka biglang sumakit yung tiyan mo, kukuha ka lang ng peanut size ng Ganusi toothpaste, then ilalagay mo siya sa warm water, imimix mo siya, and then after that, iinumin mo siya. And then after nyo, no, ang labas niyan is makakautot ka. Kasi yung hangin sa tiyan mo is ipinapalabas niya pala. So, ganun siya, ka-effective. And then, pang-7 is, yung Ganusi toothpaste is good for pregnant women. Pwede siya sa buntis. Pwede siyang gamitin ng buntis. Okay. And then, pang-8 na testimonial is, ako kasi, after kong manganak yung sa pang-3rd na baby ko is nagka-black spot ako sa mukha. And then, ayun, ginamitan ko siya ng DXN Ganusi toothpaste para makuha yung black spot. So, ginagamit ko siyang pang facial wash every time na naliligo ako. Minamassage ko siya, and then, after that, napansin ko talagang effective siya na nakakatanggal siya ng mga dark spots sa skin ng mukha. So, ayun yung aking personal testimony about and using Ganusi toothpaste ng DXN. So, yun lang guys yung mga testimonials na nag-gathered ko. All the testimonial na sinabi ko is that is true. Base yan sa mga friends ko, sa mga customer na nag-order sa amin ng DXN Ganusi toothpaste. So, yun. Wala yung halong biro. That is all true. So, kung sino man yung nakakapanood ng video na to, kung gusto nyo pong mag-order, you can reach us sa aming Facebook page. And then, you can send a message on how you order the Ganusi toothpaste. And kung gusto niyo naman bumili ng Ganusi toothpaste malapit sa inyong lugar, you can use our code below para maka-avail kayo ng 25% discount kapag hindi kayo member using our sponsor code below. So, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe in our channel. Thank you.